Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Okay guys, I've got the blanket laid out here. This is the Calming Comfort blanket. This is by the Crochet Crowd, and this is week 3. So I have week 1 and 2 and 3. And I'm debating on whether to do week 4. I'm just not quite sure if I want it any bigger because this really works for me for what I was wanting it for. I have a rocker in my bedroom, and I just wanted it to have like a little lap gan. So let's take a closer look at this. Okay, so I have my stitch marker here. So from the center to here, that was week 1. And then there's my other stitch marker. It's way over there. So basically it'd be about right here. So this was week 2 from the pink to right here. And then this here is week 3. But that's it up close. And there's the yarn basket that I've been using for this project. So yeah, that's it. This is the Calming Comfort blanket by the Crochet Crowd. So that's what I have so far. This is the Calming Comfort if you're interested in making this. Oh yeah, I was going to show you. I'm using an I 5.5 millimeter hook. I just print the patterns off on this right here. The Crochet Crowd Calming Comfort Afghan. It's a free pattern, by the way. There it is. I use an I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, and I circle the weeks down here so I'll know. And then I circle my yarn, my hook size, so I don't forget that. You know, sometimes there's just so much wording, and it's like you got to read and read and read till you find the hook size. And so I did that with the week. And so I circled the weeks down there so that my eye would easily catch it. So there's that. The yarn that I'm using, this is Craft Smart Never Enough. And it's a light gray. 716 yards. It should be 100% acrylic. I did buy this at Michael's, I guess about a year ago. This is Red Heart. This is Big Twist. And the color on this one is Varsity Navy Blue. It should be 100% cotton. 380 yards. This one is Big Twist Value. And the color on this one is white. And here are these labels that I've already used. I've already used a white one. And a Varsity Navy Blue. And another white. So I've used 2 whites. And I'm on my 3rd white here. And I just keep the bands, yarn bands, in my basket. The bottom of the basket right there. So, but yeah, I guess I'll go ahead and start week 4 and do at least a little bit of that. So, okay, and I have my basket thing done here just a little bit, not that much. As you can tell, the black one is the Premier Bobbin yarn that I was using to make myself a cardigan. And the sleeves come out wonky, and so I put it to the side a few months ago. That's it right there. I've already done the tutorial on everything but the sleeves, so I just got to figure out those sleeves. Anyway, that's a doll project, I think, that's in the green bag up there. That's the Octi Throw in the big white basket. And I was gifted this right here last year from one of you lovely subscribers. It was a Mary Maxim kit, and it's a doll, and it comes with all this yarn here to make a doll outfit. So I don't have a basket. So I don't have a basket for it. So it's just sitting there. This is, I was going to make me some washcloths or something, face cloths, body washcloths. I don't know. This is, I made Nona Grace a pillow with a chicken, and I've been wanting to make another one ever since, and so it's in this bag. So I need a project bag for this, project bag for this. I need at least 2 probably project bags up there. This one will not get a project bag unless I just really make a big one. And so here are 3 more project bags, baskets. I'm calling them bags, baskets. Here's 2 project baskets right here. And this is a pattern by Carrie with the Happy Crafty Homemaker. And I was making it, and I felt like maybe the yarn that I had used was just making it kind of, I don't know, maybe kind of bulky like, and I just wasn't sure. I was making it for my sister, one of my sisters, and Sister Tanya. And so I quit. And anyway, I happened to show it to her. She was over here the other day, and she was like, well, I love it. So she asked me to continue making it. So I'm going to finish making this. But when I get through, I will let you know exactly the name of the pattern, because I'll have to go back and look at my computer, because it was last year when I was working on it. It is called the Half Circle Eyelet Shawl. Anyway, so here's some of the crochet calendars I'm working on. This is a pocket shawl. No, it's a scarf I made my sister Tanya. She wants me to put pockets on it. This is my Annie's. I did get month 2 in, and so I'll be showing that off to you guys. This is a bag that my daughter had bought for me. And then these, I don't remember what this is. What is this? Oh yeah, I was going to make another sloth. And this is a doll, which I'm just not that great with dolls. I don't know. But I do need to finish this one. It's going to be really pretty. Anyway, so that's that one. And then I did put some books down there. So I'm working on it, guys, getting my baskets up there. I do, like I said, I think I want at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 more baskets. And I'll be happy. Okay. So I've been working on the yarn room. So far, I do have a couple of stands right there. I'm not sure what to do at the top yet. I still got a lot of things that I want to do. The box underneath my chair, that is yarn scrap balls. Yarn scrap balls. But there is a basket there with that little doll sitting on it, which I designed that doll. So if you want to go check out that pattern. I did sew the hair on that one. On the pattern, you can leave the hair interchangeable, different styles of hair. But I did sew mine on. And because I was putting her in the craft fair. I think I got first place with her. Anyway, that is a white blanket that's inside there. And then there's a basket up there. It's got some baby soft yarn in it, but it's from velvet yarn. And but it's from it's Easter yarn that's inside there. Anyway, and so I'm working on getting this area here fixed up. I still got a lot of work to do on it. And let's see. That's what I have over there so far. So it's not that great. And those dolls right there, I'm fixing to put some of them up in another room. There's my workstation for right now. And there's some more yarn there. There's my adding machine. But that's all I've got for the moment. So I still got a little bit of work, but not near as bad. Oh yeah, and right here, that's LD, a hanging LD light. That's all I use for my tutorials, guys. That's it. So Let me scoot back some more. So if you're interested in lighting above to do your recording on, that's it. That's all I have. It's LED, and it works just fine. So, okay. Okay, here is my 365 days of prayer. And today is January the 25th. So I'm just going to go ahead and read this to you. Let me find me a seat here. It says, mercy upon mercy. They are blessed who show mercy to others, for God will show mercy to them. Matthew 5:7. Merciful God, you give away your loving kindness to all without worrying that you'll run low. You delight in showing mercy. I want to be more like you. Your love flows from you like a never-ending river whose source is deep and pure. I am confident that as I soak in your presence, I will be filled up to pour out. When I have no resources, what am I to offer? With you, God, I have access to all the grace I could ever need to show forgiveness, kindness, and compassion to everyone who hurts or offends me. I won't hold grudges, for what good would that do? Your law of love is better than the law that requires retribution. I will rejoice in your better way that offers life to all who would receive it. I can't help but be filled with joy as I align myself with your kingdom, knowing that even in my hardest moments and days, you are worth laying my rights down for. Have you been holding onto a grudge? How can you extend mercy instead? And that is really good because I am definitely guilty of that. Okay, so that's something I need to work on too. All right, guys, that's all that I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Just remember to live life and have fun. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.